Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Metafluence token. Ticker symbol is METO, M-E-T-O, or METO I should say. This token's actually up 41% today, and it was in the top gainer section as well yesterday on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Metafluence token. So METO, M-E-T-O is the ticker symbol. Like I said, you can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap. They actually have their audit on CoinMarketCap. They have a full Kraken audit, and there's a link to that you could check out. So they also have a full white paper available too on CoinMarketCap along with their webpage, Metafluence.com. They also have their BSC scan on here, Telegram, Twitter, Reddit, Medium articles, Discord, GitHub, price, chart, contract address, all of that stuff is available on CoinMarketCap. So how do you get this token? You can get it in a decentralized way by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the METO token using the contract address that you can find on CoinMarketCap. Or you can get it off a central exchange. I use this central exchange myself. You can get it off of MEXC Global. Now, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that MEXC referral code down there in the description. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search METO, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It's that easy. MEXC Global is a great central exchange. Very low fees on there. Very easy to use. Lots of cool features. So check it out if you don't have an MEXC Global account. Now, what is this token all about? Well, it says, as the social media is transitioning to the metaverse, our vision is to build an influencer-centric ecosystem in the metaverse where SM influencers, SM social media, brands, and their audiences are easily engaged in a transparent and incentivized manner. We are on a mission to convert SM influencers into metaverse entrepreneurs, metapreneurs, through our influence to earn platform. Our solution is for influencers automatically address the brand and audience challenges, enabling all the parties to thrive in Web 3.0. Lots of cool pictures on their webpage and white paper, so check that out as well. Like lots of cool looking metaverse pictures. So influencer marketing, IM, although influencers are opinion leaders and can influence the decisions making of their audiences outside the purchasing decisions, this paper focuses on the commercialized context of SM influencers, particularly on IM in the modern era. IM is defined as the strategy of promoting brands, products, or services with selected individuals who are judged most likely to exercise a significant influence on purchase decisions within a particular targeted market. With the persuasive SM usage, brands continue to rely on influencers. The data shows that IM is set to grow exponentially in the coming years. Now, Mr. Beast talks about this all the time. If you guys know Mr. Beast, obviously you do. Talks about how influencers like him and Logan Paul and all these people in the future will probably be helping out giant brands promote their things. And they already have their own energy drinks and burger places and all these things, right? So, the common idea of the metaverse entails decentralization, interoperability, and digital content ownership. The digital content ownership is where NFTs, non-fungible tokens, come into play. And as the metaverse is becoming a trend, so are NFTs. Now, in a nutshell, what this project is all about here, it says Metafluence enables influencers to monetize their social media power and creativity in the metaverse. As social media is transitioning to the metaverse, our vision is to build an ecosystem in the metaverse where SM influencers, their audience, and brands are engaged in transparent and incentivized relations. We are on a mission to convert SM influencers into metaverse entrepreneurs through an influence-to-earn Metafluence platform. That's where the name Metafluence comes from. Our solution for influencers automatically addresses brands, audiences, challenges in Web3. Metafluence is the name of the city in the metaverse, which is ruled by SM influencers. Influencers' homes, they call meta huts, are the main architectural elements of the city and will serve as personalized spaces similar to land plots in the metaverse. The meta huts will consist of rooms, which are personalized spaces, and they will allow influencers to better monetize their SM influence, engage closely with their audience and brands in the Metafluence ecosystem. Influencers will be able to group their influence clans to unify their SM influence and reach, kind of like an influencer house, if you've ever heard of that. Influencers, their audiences and brands will be able to engage in a variety of events that could be in a clan, public, private, or premium setting. The main focus of the events is to allow influencers to monetize their SM reach and influence, whether it's the audience participation or brand sponsorship. The brand side of Meta Influence platform will be focused on advertising in the metaverse and a direct influencer relations with sponsorships. Moreover, brands will have access to features such as influencer discovery, influencer analytics, campaign performance, and keyword monitoring. Regular platform users or visitors, aside from the influencers or brands of the Metafluence ecosystem, are considered as the audiences assumed to be mainly influencer audiences. The audiences side of the platform will be built on a strong emphasis towards more engagement with influencers via their Meta Huts events, community reputation, and badges based on metaverse activity. So basically, the tokenomics here for this token, they already have 14,173 holders. That's a lot of holders. Total supply of this token, 5 billion tokens, and 18 decimal places on this token, 211 transfers. I mean, they're doing amazing. Token utility, you could use it for NFTs, meta huts, event tickets, premium access services, brands, token holders incentives, transaction fee incentives, affiliate activity and staking incentives, voting, so it's a DAO token, governance token, curation, and memberships. They have token metrics on here as well. It's split up between public sale, private sale, seed sale, all that type of stuff. Foundation, marketing, development, community growth, strategic incentives, partners, advisors, team, public sale, etc. And their roadmap is on here, pretty lengthy roadmap. It's just more and more stuff in the metaverse, obviously. NFT wearables, avatars, 3D NFT marketplace, affiliate system, all that type of stuff. You can check out on their roadmap, which is on their white paper, which you can find at whitepaper.metafluence.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their meta influence, what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC global one where you could find this Metafluence token. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.